So the first important thing is like when we hold pencil, we have to be very comfortable. So the basic way of holding pencil is like, the writing position where like you have this, little finger which touched onto the surface, and like, you start writing. So there is this movement which is created with, the fingers. So it can go up and down and also the sideways. So here you can see like, I'm just doing certain lines, creating certain lines. So it's something like zigzag. So you can see like, I'm feeling very comfortable to do this. But what happens here is like when you guys draw a straight line, there are many mistakes which happens. Firstly, what happens here is like when you draw a straight line. So if you're too fast, you can see like, the line is quite slanting, little slopey. So see, I'll just try it again. You can see it here, no? Like you can see this line is somewhat very slopey. So again, like if I'm very slow, what happens here is like, see, the lines kind of look like very wavy. You can see this waviness. So there is, a speed which is very important in drawing line. So I'm not supposed to be either fast or either slow. So I'm supposed to be optimum. So you can see here when I'm drawing this line in optimum speed, you can see the line is quite perfect. So you just need to, practice this before you could start drawing. So, mastering this is very important because you have to minimize the use of erasers so that, you'll feel very comfortable and flexible to draw, objects and, various other things. So again, you can also practice, drawing circles. See, circles are very, very important to, create forms and, the composition of anatomy or like, other objects. So what happens here is like, you can see like, I'm overlapping the line again and again. You can see like, I'm overlapping as much as possible to, achieve that circle here. So later I can just take the eraser and erase off, which is not required. So it is and see why I'm telling this is like when you're doing this, you can get the sharpness with the shape. For example, imagine you're doing something like this, like constructing a circle with various other lines does not make sense. So again, I'm drawing this circle with a single stroke. So again, what happens here is like it does not give that proper shape, and I'm not getting the control over the pencil. So the best way is like you have to overlap as much as possible. So when you keep doing this, you can practice. When you keep doing this, you can draw many things.